Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya hakalai terik urumphang kala Pynkup burom ya ka Kong Silbi Passah kabayok pediang ya ka Padma Shri Award bat ya Bah Hek Menteri Sarkar ubayo ya ka Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Ka Kong Silbi Passah ka batrei kum kanohikai kala penpau ya ka jingso kuman baka Sarkar India kala itu ya usenyang ubenhei bakala no syaka imlang saklang ban kentiu ya ka jingroi tenrai syat bat ki jingroi poetry hajala. Nakaliang Bah Hek ula ong baka khusnam ba uyo kamsyong dor bat ka khusnam bayo ka Kong Silbi kata ka Padma Shri Award 2024. Bah Hek ula ong baka jingyo khusnam kamdei ka singi bakut bantrei ki kam henrei ka dei ka jing sedang bantrei ki kam benang kentiu ya ka jaj benreu bat ka jela barok ka wei. Haba penpau ka jing kemen ba ula syak Pynkup burom Bah Hek ula ong baya ka Dada Saheb Phalke Award la aya kum kanam kum menteri bakensai tam hapo Meghalaya.
If I compare the awards that she has received by Kong Silbi Passah, I am nobody. No comparisons at all. So I congratulate you, Kong Passah, for all the achievement that you have done, not only for you, for the society, for the states, and for the nations. Receiving the awards is not the ends of your journey, but receiving of the award is the beginning of our journey to work more force and more better for the deserving people. So that is why we are receiving our awards to work furthermore. Of course, I have received so many awards, but if we have mentioned a few here, like I have given the award by the honorable government at the time when we have given shelter for the hawkers. Then we had decided in our Darbar Shnong Golfling, because there are so many street vendors in the golfing area at that time. Then they have given me the responsibility to build the hawkers market. And I would like to inform you, we have not charged 1 rupee also for the rent from the hawkers market. We have given all of them free of cost. I have also got the awards for the best minister management during the COVID. That is not me alone. We have the full team working right from the DHS that time, the commissioner secretary, all the directors and officers been working together. But I have been recognized one of the best ministers because we have been working days and nights to ensure the safety and the safety of all the people of the state of Meghalaya. Also, we have, I forgot the place in the British when we went to London. Even the one mayor had invited me for the award. So that award also we have received from the mayor of London. Then now the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, I don't know from where they have been honoring me and from where they have been selected me, nominated me, and also they have chosen me to be one of the awardees from the state of Meghalaya for the best minister in the state of Meghalaya. 2001, when there was a flood in Syllad, completely the Patharam cry become already completely submerged. Then they have seen one of the locality, the people are under the water. And the first person, being the MLA and minister, I jump into the water and we swam into the water and we saved so many lives at that time. So many lives. After that, we got into the shelter home. We got to the shelter home, we feed them for at least 2-3 days unless they are able to go back to their respective places. But I will tell you, my biggest award in my life, which I like to want to share with all of you who are present here today, but those who are not here also today. The biggest award that I received in my life, if I go back 35 years before, when I was not married at the time, I was suffering a lot from the tuberculosis, bleeding from my nose and from my mouth, perennially bleeding very off and on. Then after that, 35 years back, I got married to my wife, Emilia Nongsi. After married, my illness, my sickness has not gone. Then I stay, because I have to stay in my in-laws' house, but my wife is the only daughter in the family. I have no choice to stay in my place, not to stay to other separate places. But I had to stay with my in-laws. Then in-laws, I was really suffering that time. Neither I can make any source of income, nor I can do any work. I was really badly suffering that time. So one day, I told my dear wife, please allow me to go home. I feel shy to eat here. I feel really shame to eat in in-laws' house without any source of income. But my wife, she told me only one word. If you die also, you die here. I would not allow you to go home. That was the encouragement and inspiration that I got from my wife. Then after that, I have no choice. I'm completely in the fix. Neither I can go home, nor I can stay with my wife. Because I feel really shy to eat in the in-laws' house without any income. I'm a man, How I'll go and eat my wife's income, my in-laws' income? If I cannot do any work, with there's no income, I really feel shy. Then I have no choice at that time. I never pray rosary in the daytime. That afternoon, I took the rosary, I prayed for all 5 mysteries. But I asked God only one thing with my mother Mary. I told her, either you take me or you cure me. Either you take me or you cure me. I told to the God, I told the Mother Mary, you will not believe it. Instantly after my 5 mysteries, I completed by the rosary prayer. Instantly from that day or till today, I never faced the suffering of my problem of the bleeding from my nose or from my mouth. That was the greatest achievement, my biggest achievement that I have received in my life because of encouraging and this inspiration given by my wife. Either you better to, either you, I will not allow you to go home, to go to your place. Either you have to, either you, she told that I will not allow you to go home. If you die also, you die here. What the forceful words that she has mentioned, that she had not allowed me to go to my parents' place. So that was very great inspiration, very great encouragement I received. I have got it in my life. I bless my family, I bless my friends, I bless so many things, the blessing that I have got today because of that blessing that God has been given to me.
The Minister of Art and Culture who have interest in promoting our culture. It is worth me to hear that the credit of my success goes to my students, my troops, who always cooperate with me. In our effort, I am thankful to all of them. Let me further extend my gratitude to the headman of our locality, Bah Hek, who have taken the initiative and enabled me to share my success. As a conclusion, let me recollect that saying, respect your language, your culture, then the world will respect you. Thank you.